Volkswagen has just lifted the covers on the second-generation T-Roc, and while it's shaping up to be one of the brand's most exciting SUVs yet, there's a catch. It won't be coming to the United States. That's right. VW's coolest new hybrid SUV is reserved for Europe and other global markets, leaving American buyers wishing they could get their hands on it. The all-new T-Roc builds on the success of its predecessor, which sold over 2 million units since its 2017 debut. Last year alone, Volkswagen delivered nearly 300,000 T-Rocs worldwide, making it the company's second best-selling SUV after the Tiguan. With numbers like that, it's no wonder VW decided to give this model a big refresh. On the outside, the new T-Roc takes design inspiration from Volkswagen's electric ID lineup. The traditional grille is gone, replaced with a sleek, full-width LED bar and illuminated VW badge. The sharper proportions, sculpted fenders, and coupe-like rear give it a bolder stance. Customers can now choose wheels up to 20 inches, while the sloping rear windshield and full-width taillights give it a sportier edge. Aerodynamics also improve by 10% thanks to smarter bodywork that reduces drag. In terms of size, the T-Roc has grown. At 4,373 millimeters long, it's now 122 millimeters longer than before, with a wheelbase extended by 28 millimeters. This makes it more practical for families, sitting neatly between the smaller Tiggo and T-Cross and the larger Tiguan in VW's SUV lineup. Cargo space is also up to 465 liters, giving drivers even more everyday usability. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's been completely reimagined. Gone are the cheap plastics of the first generation. Instead, VW has fitted higher quality materials, soft-touch finishes, and even sustainable elements, with 20% of plastics coming from recycled sources. A freestanding infotainment screen, available in 10.4 or 12.9 inches, dominates the dashboard, alongside a 10-inch digital cluster. There's also an optional head-up display, while a multi-function control knob inspired by the Tiguan simplifies the driving experience. Buyers looking for comfort will appreciate the ergo-active seats with 14-way adjustments and massage function, as well as the Harman Kardon audio system. Meanwhile, advanced safety tech has been upgraded with a new travel assist that allows automatic lane changes, improved predictive cruise control, and Park Assist Pro that memorizes parking routines for effortless maneuvering. But the real highlight of the new T-Roc is under the hood. For the first time, Volkswagen is introducing a full hybrid system, a major step forward for the brand. The setup pairs the 1.5-liter TSI engine with an electric motor and battery pack, delivering up to 170 horsepower and 306 newton-meters of torque. Buyers can also choose from updated mild hybrid versions of the 1.5 ETSI, or even a 2-liter TSI with optional 4-motion all-wheel drive. With pre-sales beginning in Europe in late August and delivery set for November, excitement is building for what could be Volkswagen's most balanced SUV yet. Unfortunately, VW has no plans to bring the T-Roc to North America, leaving the Taos as the brand's smallest crossover for US buyers. For European customers, however, the T-Roc represents a perfect mix of sporty style, advanced technology, and eco-friendly powertrains. It's bigger, smarter, and greener. Everything today's SUV buyers want. For Americans, though, it's another case of look but don't touch.